Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Webull Pay versus Coinbase. We'll explore which platform might be better suited for your investment goals. Webull Pay offers a comprehensive platform for both traditional stocks and cryptocurrencies, while Coinbase focuses primarily on digital assets. Understanding their core differences is key to making an informed decision about where to manage your funds. Let's dive into the specifics of each platform. When considering features and fees, Webull Pay stands out with its commission-free trading for stocks and exchange-traded funds, alongside its crypto offerings. Coinbase, on the other hand, has a clear fee structure for cryptocurrency transactions, which can vary depending on the trade amount. Webull also provides more in-depth analytical tools, which can be a significant advantage for active traders looking for detailed market insights. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, just like you manage your investments, managing your meals can be simple too. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Regarding user experience, Coinbase is often praised for its intuitive and straightforward interface, making it ideal for beginners. Webull, while still accessible, offers a more feature-rich environment that might appeal to those with more trading experience. Both platforms prioritize security, implementing measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage for digital assets to help keep your investments safe and secure from unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.